Shocking new data shows the number of opioid-related deaths increased here in the Bay State over the last year. Many local communities have been affected.
Western Mass News reporter Paris Dunford breaks down the numbers for us after sitting down with behavioral health specialists to learn why there was such a big increase.
This week on Wednesday, the state released alarming new data revealing an increase of opioid-related deaths in the Bay State. In 2021 compared to 2020, there was an 8.8% increase. There were 2,290 confirmed and estimated opioid-related overdose deaths in 2021, an estimated 185 more deaths than the year before. We brought this data to Rene Pinheiro, Vice President of Behavioral Health and Clinical Operations at the Mental Health Association. He tells us he's seen a lot of factors contribute to the crisis that these numbers prove.
There has been a great increase in the amount of services that are being requested due to the COVID-19 pandemic.
The state cites a profound impact on people's mental health during the pandemic, which had some turning to bad coping mechanisms. Pinheiro agrees. Plus, he tells Western Mass News many resources like MHA had to stop in-person counseling and turn to telehealth, which had an effect on those struggling with addiction.
There hasn't been a lot of accessibility in regards to service providers.
MHA employee says one of the issues they're running into since the COVID-19 pandemic is a staffing shortage.
A decrease in service providers as well, be it for personal medical issues. So we've been having a hard time getting staffed up.
That staffing shortage making it harder for them to serve the increased number of people in need. Among the new statistics released by the state was the number of overdose deaths involving fentanyl. Fentanyl was present at a rate of 93% where a toxicology report was available. The presence of this drug increased about 1% per quarter since 2016. The data also highlighted Western Mass cities that have seen a significant increase or decrease in overdoses. In 2020, Chicopee had 35 opioid-related deaths and only 25 in 2021. But over in Westfield, their numbers more than doubled, with 8 opioid overdoses in 2020 and 18 in 2021. Pinheiro says for all these reasons, it's important now more than ever for people to reach out for help.
The more provision of services and availability would be ideal. Right now here at MHA, we provide individual therapy services as well as recovery coach, peer support services.
Reporting in Springfield, Paris Dunford for Western Mass News.